today I'm reviewing this Trimell multi-angle measuring ruler. This is really awesome, whether you're in construction or you're a math teacher. This is great for not only measuring and making angles, but forming different shapes. And I use it in particular to teach rigidity to my students in geometry and about the different shapes that I can make out of this. If I lay an extra beam down here, it makes it rigid. And I could show them how to differentiate a parallelogram from a rectangle. And there's a lot of cool things that you can do. These little pegs come apart, they tighten. This is really an amazing tool. It's a nice thick one, because I have a few of these, because I have groups. It's a nice thick one, great quality. Totally recommend it, just on that alone. And it comes with an awesome pencil, which I'll show you in the pictures. So when put together, it's like a pen and a pencil in one. It erases. It's a stylus, and then when you pull the stylus out, it's a screwdriver head. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Totally impressed with this set. I am definitely going to be posting pictures, so you'll see all the different things this can do as far as for me as a teacher. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Again, this is the Trimell multi-angle measuring ruler. Have a good night. Please click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks!